Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we're going to be doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 2 by me. Let's get into it. Let's go. Budgie, a dune, I'll jump it. Ah. Oof. Hey, it's the flag. It's go time. This place is scary and dusty too, but I must keep going. Super Budgie jump. Meow, 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 meow. We'll see about that. I'm number 1. Let's go. Hey, this is a nice cave. I better keep going. Hey, it's the flag. I better keep going. It's go time. This place looks familiar. Better keep going. Hey, it's the fireplace. I'll go in it like last time. Oof. Also looks familiar. Rumble, rumble. What's that rumbling noise? Ah, it's Evil Budgie's cousin that doesn't talk. Well, you won't stop me. I'm number 1. Hey, come back here. Wait. I thought we discussed about this last time. Stop. To be continued. So that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like and subscribe and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content.